Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Grand Theft Auto 5 on your PC. So what you want to get is Steam. Just open up a web browser and type in Steam, just like this, and go to this website in the top left right here. So you can see this is called Steam. This is a gaming platform, kind of like Xbox Live or like PlayStation Network on the PC. So we can go to this store.steampower.com. And we simply want to just install this on our computer. So download in the top right here, and then get this. So this is Steam. So go ahead and just save it and set this up, and then create an account. So when you have an account with Steam, it's very easy. You can see the store in the top left, your library, all the games you've ever bought down here. And all you have to do is search for Grand Theft Auto under here, and you can download it. So let's go to the store, go to the top right, and just go to Grand Theft Auto 5, GTA 5. Or actually, that doesn't work. We have to go to Grand Theft Auto. And they currently have the enhanced edition on here. So this one is $30 and it's going to give you better visuals and stuff. So you can go through here. And this is going to be saved to your account indefinitely. So if you ever want to go ahead and come back here and re-download it, you can. So you can see it's very positive, mostly positive. So this comes with an upgraded visual experience, faster loading times, 3D audio, etc. Just scroll on down. You can add it to your cart right here. And then you can go to view my cart and you can purchase this right now. So you can continue with the payment. And then you should be able to download it after you go ahead and purchase it. If you can't, it should be under your library. Just locate it. It's probably going to be under this section where it's grayed out, and you can just select it and download it. So if I go to one of these, for example, I'm not sure which one, like XCOM, I can go to it and I can install it now. So it should be the same thing for Grand Theft Auto when you go ahead and get this. If you get it on Steam, this is nice because it will download in the background with any kind of updates too. It'll automatically do that right here. So you can see the download speed and stuff. So yeah, go ahead and check that out. Get Steam and enjoy gaming on your PC. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.